Hello you guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to be back and filming videos. I went on a little break. I went on 2 vacations in 2 months. Like they were only like 3 or 4 days. Oh, this is hot. But you know, vacations kind of get you off the ball, and you know, it's hard to come back and get your life squared away after a vacation. But I'm so excited to be back. We have a fun little review today, you guys. You have been loving my magnetic lashes video. I put it out a long time ago, and I still get questions on it all the time, so I wanted to do another one because my favorite company on Amazon, Eyelashes, they came out with a new set of magnetic lashes, so I was like, okay, I gotta try these ones out. I love magnetic lashes because they are so freaking easy to put on. Like if you struggle with putting regular glue lashes on, try these, and I promise you, all you have to do is nail the eyeliner. Once you got your eyeliner on, then putting these on is a breeze because it's obviously a magnet and just forms right onto the eyeliner, you know? So yeah, the eyeliner is necessary. That's like the first part of the magnet, and then there's little magnets on the strips of the lashes to connect. So yeah, the only thing you have to be good at is putting eyeliner on, and once you got that, then it is such a breeze. There's no downtime. You don't have to wait for glue to dry. And the thing about magnetic lashes is you can reuse these so many more times than a regular lash with glue. I find that with traditional lashes, I can maybe use them like 5 or 6 times and then they're looking beat. But with these ones, since there's no glue involved, you can use these like 30 times. I promise I have used one pair at least 30 times. They're so easy to put on, and to clean them off, I just use a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Some people in my comments were saying you could just use eye makeup remover. I haven't tried that, but you know, it's a magnet, so you'll just want to clean it every once in a while. Okay, so this is the kit we're reviewing today. It's got application steps on the back. So you guys, ooh, these are gorgeous. Here are the lashes. So obviously you've got the drama up here, you've got more of like a really casual everyday lash, and these are kind of a nice in-between. I'm trying to figure out how many different styles we have. Girl, am I tripping? These all look different. Okay, these 2 are the same, I'm pretty sure. I'm pretty sure these 2 are the same. This one's different. These 2 are the same. This one's different. This one's different, this one's different, this one's different, this one's different. Okay, so we have 8 different lash styles from what I can tell. I think, yeah, most of them look all a little different. So that's the great thing, is like maybe if this one didn't fit your eye shape, maybe something like this with a little bit more of like a wispy look on the end would work better for you. I like the drama. I like a big intense lash. Even these ones are so great. It looks like they upgraded their eyeliner, looking way cuter than their last one. Such a cute little style. So just for comparison, this is the one I originally reviewed. It's been on Amazon for a while. So many of you guys have bought this off of my recommendation, so I hope you guys are loving it just as much as I am. But the thing I love about Eyelashes is their lashes are like 3D. They look like mink. They look super duper expensive. And they're so reusable because they're magnetic. So it looks like they definitely upgraded their packaging and got some new styles in. So I'm super excited. So first things first, we are going to do a little tutorial of how to put them on. Super duper easy. Like I said, you guys, all you have to be able to do is put eyeliner on your eyes pretty much. Okay, so I got the eyeliner on, just a very simple wing. So next, let's try on some of these lashes. So first I want to show you guys just how easy it is to put these on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put like this one on and show you guys. Each lash is sitting on like a magnetic strip, so they're really easy to pull off and then put back in there. I would recommend keeping this little holder just so that you can pop them back onto the magnetic band. Yeah, I just like having them all in one place. So let's go ahead and pop these on. So I pretty much put them on just like a regular lash from the top, and then there we go. Then you might have to adjust the sides a little bit, but it should be pretty easy. You can squish them down, push them down to the actual lash line, but there you go. So easy. And if you don't like how they're sitting, like I feel like this one's sitting in a little far, just pull them back up and then reapply. Okay, yeah, that's it. So easy. And these magnets are strong, you guys. So these suckers are not blowing away anywhere. Like, they are strong. They do not hurt to pull up. You know, like if you get a little bit of lash glue on your actual real lashes, you know it's a bitch to pull off. It hurts so bad. With these, it does not hurt at all. There is grip to them. Yeah, you know, like these are gonna stay on all day, but it's not gonna hurt to pull them off like glue would. Pretty. This kind of style is my favorite, where there's like little spikes. I think that looks really nice. Okay, I need to see a mirror. Done. Like, have you ever seen such a quick lash application? You know, you don't have to wait for any glue. You just pop them right on and they stick so well. Like, I feel like the magnets on these ones are even stronger than the ones they came out originally, the original kit they came out with. So I am obsessed. So pretty, right? Oh my God. So to take it off, you guys, again, so easy. Hold on, I gotta see what I'm doing. All you have to do is pull the lash and they come right off. So just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna put on the rest of them and I'll show you guys each style. So we're gonna go down like this. I'll put a little picture on the screen with each one we're doing. Okay, now we're getting into the ones I'm excited about, the drama. Oh, these babies are big old lashes. Okay. Okay, the next one we're doing are these. Oh, what the? I don't know about these, y'all. I don't like those. That's a no. They look real aggressive. Nothing about these look natural. So I'd say pass on these ones, but you know, we've got a lot more to try on. Ooh, this is it. This is it for me. So the next one I'm trying on are these ones right here. That one is it for me. This fits my eye shape perfectly. And like I said, like I haven't had to cut any of these down, but if you want to, you can cut them down. There are 5 like magnets on it. So I would either cut off like partial magnet, you know, like a little bit of the magnet, or I would move to the next one. But these fit me perfectly. I haven't had any issues with having to cut any of them down. So pretty. And it gives you a lot of 3D lash. They are just the best. These ones are so good. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, wow. This is maybe actually it. This is why I mess with this company. They do it so well. And next we just got a little natural one. Not my favorite to wear, but you know, if you're really into that, I will just try it on for you. Okay, so that's with the eyelash on versus without. Not a huge difference, so you guys already know. This ain't me. I'm just gonna pop these suckers off. Okay, you guys, so that was my full review of the Air Shine Magnetic Lashes. You guys, I love this kit. It has a lash for every style, anything you need. This is a great kit. And okay, so let me break down the price a little bit to you guys. It's $29, which I know is expensive for lashes, but you get 10 pairs of lashes in here, which comes down to what? Like less than $3 a piece, which is very affordable. And you guys, these are gonna last so much longer than your regular strip lash with glue because they are magnetic. You know, there's no glue involved. It's not going to mess up the band, or you're not gonna get glue all over the lash. Typically, that's what messes up my lashes, is when the glue gets on the lash. So the fact that there's no glue involved makes it so easy to apply. You know, there's zero downtime when applying it, and you can reuse these so many more times than a traditional strip lash because it's magnetic. So I cannot recommend these enough. I think these are really great. Like I said, they have so many different styles. I think this kit has a little bit of everything for anyone who likes wearing lashes, or even if you're not good at wearing lashes, this is something I would definitely give a try because it's so much easier than regular lashes. You saw me pop these on in like less than 10 seconds. It's so easy. I even had my friend who never wears eyelashes put these on. Obviously she knows how to do a little winged liner action, so she did that, and then she tried these on and it was so easy. Like, she had no issues with it like she would a traditional lash. So these are definitely a great way to go, especially if you are a beginner. So yeah, you guys, that is kind of my final opinion. I think you definitely should pick this up. Give it a try. If you don't like it, obviously you can return it very easily because it is through Amazon. You can get this in 2 days using Amazon Prime. If you guys don't have Amazon Prime, I do have a free link for a 30-day trial of Amazon Prime in the description box, as well as this kit. And then I'll also link the original kit I tried out and that video review. But definitely give this one a try. Let me know how you guys like it. I am always so curious to see how you guys like the products I recommend because I truly do love this. It's so easy, so beginner friendly, and very affordable for everything you get. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial and review, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!